Aside from the law of inertia and law of acceleration, there is also what we call the law of interaction, which states that when body A exerts a force on body B will exert an equal but oppositely directed force on body A. In other words, to every action, there is an equal but opposite reaction force. Thus, the third law is sometimes called the law of interaction. Say for example, if you push hard on a wall by a force of 5 newtons, the wall in turn pushes you back by a force of 5 newtons. If not, you will get inside the wall. We can walk because we push backward upon the earth as hard as the earth pushes us forward. In simpler explanation, the earth is rotating. So if it rotates from left to right, then we walk from right to left to walk in balance. Let's try another example. An object of weight 30 newtons rests on a table. Let's find out what are the forces acting on the object and what are the reactions to these forces. Let's say the object is a book and it is on the table. What are its forces? Well, the forces acting on the object are its weight and the upward force by the table. What are the reactions? The weight is the downward pull of the earth on the object. So the weight is 30 newtons, right? Thus, the reaction to this force is an upward force of 30 newtons exerted by the object on the earth. In other words, the table exerts an upward force of 30 newtons on the object. In turn, the object exerts a downward force of 30 newtons on the table. Are you getting it now? Let's look at some real-life examples. This includes slapping, boxing, kicking a ball, jumping, throwing a ball, diving in a raft, recoiling a gun, and hammering a nail. What does the third law say? First, action and reaction forces are equal in magnitude but oppositely directed. Second, action and reaction forces are acting on two different bodies and will never cancel out. Lastly, forces always come in pairs. In simpler words, in every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. That would be all. See you next time!